Gonna take a look at this Insta360 Air screen protector. I bought a couple and none of them seemed to fit very well on it. This latest one that I tried, it's got a perfect fit around the screen. So if you look at this, you can see how it covers all of the glass completely all around. And it's tempered glass, so it's clear. Doesn't really leave fingerprints on it at all, and it has a really good rounded edge so it doesn't get caught. A lot of the screen protectors I've tried has more of a square edge, and it'll tend to get caught when you're putting it in cages, putting it in a sleeve like this sort of thing. It can get them and pull up the edges. It gets aggravating with bubbles under them. With this one, that real rounded edge, it seems to be working really good so far with it. Comes in a kit that has 2 screen protectors on it. So it's got the dust remover, these little guide stickers that'll help stick on here before you pull the backing off of it, and it'll drop it down and lines it up perfect on the screen. It comes with alcohol pads to clean everything and get the lint off of it first. And there's 2 protectors in here, so if you would happen to drop it and damage the glass on this one, you've got a backup to replace it with. Like I said, it's tempered glass. It's got curved edges, fingerprint resistant with it. I'll put links to it below. It's usually about $8, but I think it's currently on sale at Amazon at $6.85, something like that, with the discount coupon that's listed below on it. So I'll put links in the description on it, but this is so far the only glass screen protector that I found that works good with the Insta360, the X4 Air version, which has a little bit different size screen than the previous models with it. So you got to get the exact size. So just check the description below. Been happy with it so far, and it's working out pretty good. Thanks for watching.